Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to grow your business with Facebook groups. Do you ever wonder how other businesses are using Facebook groups? Like, are they actually getting customers and increasing ROI from that? Well, the answer is yes, they are. You can generate real ROI from Facebook groups if we do it the right way. So make sure you keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use a Facebook group to grow your business. So in order to get customers from a Facebook group, you first need to understand the purpose of a Facebook group. Your Facebook group is not your Facebook page and therefore should not be managed the same way. Your group is not a place for you to dump the same content that you're posting on your Facebook page. Your group is a place to move your Facebook page followers to get them more invested in your brand. So think about it like this. Your Facebook page attracts people in your target audience because you're posting free valuable content. Valuable content meaning informational or inspirational content that your audience actually cares about as it relates to your product or service. Your group then shares more in-depth, higher value content that by nature attracts people who are more serious about what you offer and weeds out the different followers. For example, you can say to your Facebook page followers, hey, if you join my Facebook group, you'll get these special perks or those secret hacks or whatever it is that you won't get from my Facebook page. This gives your Facebook page followers an incentive to join your group, right? Because why would they join if they already get the same kind of value from following your page? And it also shows you who among your Facebook page followers is more interested in what you offer because ideally the special content that they're going to get in your Facebook group is related to your product or service. So let's look at an example of a Facebook group in action. Let's say you're a realtor. On your Facebook page, you post helpful general tips for first-time home buyers or checklists of what sellers need to prepare for showing their home or what have you. Then you say to your followers, hey, come join my Facebook group as I'm going to be going through an in-depth seller's guide series over there that I'm not posting anywhere else. This seller's guide is going to cover industry secrets that I've seen work time and time again to get you top dollar for your home, even in a slow market. Then in your Facebook group, you post videos of that series week by week and engage directly with the people watching and commenting on those videos. And the engagement piece there is important because that's what sets groups apart from a blog, in my opinion. You're getting the same level of higher intent customers, but you're getting to talk back and forth with them and answer their questions in real time. Then you have a call to action for your Facebook group members at the end of the series to schedule a call with you and get a free home inspection or whatever lead magnet you have that's relevant there. This way, you have their contact information to follow up with outside of Facebook and boom, now you're getting qualified leads from your Facebook group. So let's wrap up with the 4 key pieces of information that are important to know when creating your group so that you can replicate the example I just went over for any business of any industry. Number 1, the content you're covering in your group has to be worth it for your customers. The value that you're giving there can't just be slightly better than the value that you're giving away for free on your Facebook page. A lot of business owners have all the right intentions for their group, but can't really seem to get anybody to join it. And one reason may be because your audience doesn't find what you're posting over there worth joining for, which is insightful because you always want to be in the know of what makes your customers tick, what motivates them, especially when it comes to understanding what motivates them to purchase your product or service. Number 2, whether the group should be open and public or closed and private, like a request to join type thing. My answer is to start it as a closed request to join group because if it's public, people can see the content that you're posting there without joining the group, which kind of defeats the purpose. But if you're really struggling to get members initially, or you're getting low engagement, consider making it public and then later, once you've got a good community growing there, you can make it private later if you still want to. But sometimes if your brand is really small or newer, people want to see the high value content you're posting in the group before committing to join because they haven't built the trust in your brand needed yet. They just trust that what you're posting over there is high value without seeing it first. Number 3, when thinking about your customer journey in terms of sales funnel, your group should house members that are lower in the funnel. These are not strangers to your brand in the awareness stage. These are people in the consideration stage who have not only engaged with your brand a lot on social media, but they specifically taken a high intent action to join your group. So don't be afraid to ask for the sale or the lead here. That's the point. And number 4, use any and all Facebook group features. Facebook tends to test out new features all the time. Things like different engagement tools, polls, discussion, monitoring tools, the ability to create separate side messenger conversations with certain people in the Facebook group, and so on. So that's why I'm being a little bit vague here about what tools I'm talking about, because I don't know at the time that you're watching this what tools will be currently available, but whatever is there, use them. Facebook loves it when people are using their new tools and features, so you'll probably get a boost in organic reach from using them. Plus, the tools are usually helpful in connecting with your audience more. Thank you for watching. Here's something you shouldn't miss before we wrap up this video. Say goodbye to traffic woes and start driving quality traffic today. Make any business profitable with lower ad costs, higher conversions from Facebook ads, get leads, buyers, make sales, and outperform every competitor in any niche with Adplify. Adplify gives you the value of 7 powerful Facebook SaaS products in one insane package. Page Watcher, Track Competitor, or Guru Ads. Hidden Audience Finder, get cheaper clicks and better ROI. Behavioral Retargeter, get higher conversions with behavioral retargeting. Page Targeter, get market intelligence in audiences from competitor pages. Email List to Audience, continuous retargeting for your autoresponder list, and a lot more. So track Adplify now. Go to getadplify.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.